If you are experiencing an issue where YouTube is not showing comments on videos, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. Number 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes the comment section may not load properly due to a temporary glitch. Refresh the YouTube page by clicking the refresh button on your browser or pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Cached data and cookies can sometimes cause issues with the functionality of websites. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can help resolve such problems. Go to your browser settings and find the options to clear browsing data. Select the options to clear cache and cookies. Then restart your browser and revisit the YouTube video to see if the comments appear. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions or add-ons can sometimes interfere with the proper functioning of websites. Temporarily disable any extensions that you have installed, especially those related to ad blocking or script blocking. Restart your browser and check if the comment section is now visible. Step 4 is to try a different browser. If the comments are still not showing, try accessing the YouTube video using a different browser. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current browser or a more widespread problem. Step 5. Check for YouTube app updates. If you are using the YouTube mobile app, make sure it is up to date. Outdated versions of the app may have bugs or compatibility issues that could affect the comment sections. Visit your device app store such as Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for any available updates for the YouTube app. Step 6. Report the issue to YouTube. If none of the above steps resolve the problem, it's possible that there is a technical issue on YouTube's end. You can report the issue directly to YouTube by visiting the YouTube Help Center or their support forums. Provide detail about the problem and any troubleshooting step you have already taken. Remember that YouTube occasionally disable comments on certain videos based on community guidelines or the creator preferences. If you are unable to see comments on a specific video, it's possible that comments have been disabled intentionally.